accidentally send the wrong message on Facebook Messenger? In this guide, I'll show you to unsend messages for everyone in just a few simple steps using the latest Messenger app. First, open the Facebook Messenger app and navigate to the conversation that contains the message you want to remove. Scroll through the chat until you find the specific message. Next, tap and hold the message you want to delete. A menu will appear with several options. Depending on your version of Messenger, tap More or simply tap Delete at the bottom of the screen. After that, select Delete if prompted. Messenger will then display two options: Unsend for everyone or Delete for everyone, and Remove for you. Choose Unsend for everyone to delete the message from the conversation for all participants. If you only want to remove it from your own chat, select Remove for you instead. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Delete. The selected message will be removed from the conversation and replaced with a notice indicating that a message was unsent. Keep in mind that other participants may have already seen the message or received a notification before you removed it. So unsending doesn't guarantee that no one has read it. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.